Oh, snap! You know what it is! Cook-Off Volume 6! I'm your judge, the Baconator!
I'm your other judge, Eggs Benedict.
You know what this is and how we're gonna do? We got bars right now, yeah!
Bars made of gold, bro.
Damn, son, let's check this out!
Check it out, yeah.
Crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, skirt, 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 mama. Crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, skirt, skirt, skirt. Bologna, cannelloni, macaroni, minestrone. It's time to cook all that food for your fellow homies. Bologna, cannelloni, macaroni, minestrone. Don't you be trying to make gourmet food like a phony. Chex Mix, hickory sticks, pixie sticks, tricks and twix. The team who wins this competition is the one who outstrips. Chex Mix, hickory sticks, pixie sticks, tricks and twix. Josh Slander's team is gonna suck like budget wheat bix. Crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, skirt, 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 mama. Crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, crepes, grapes, skirt, skirt, skirt.
Creme brulee, curtain weight, fish fillet, Milky Way. This crazy competition will not be child's play. Creme brulee, curtain weight, kitchen sink, Milky Way. During the heat, don't let your mind be led astray. Doritos, Cheetos, Doritos, Tostitos. This great time to bond with your great amigos. Burritos, Cheetos, Doritos, Tostitos. Bring energy like Saint Nick, knock out torpedo.